Regulators say Iowa's new youth employment law might be in violation of federal child labor laws.
The new Iowa Registered Apprenticeship Act permits 16 and 17-year-olds to work in hazardous jobs if they're enrolled in work-based learning programs. Now, as KCRG TV9 State Capitol reporter Connor Hendricks now reports, Democrats say the law is putting Iowa children at risk.
New concerns tonight are being raised over Senate File 542. Governor Reynolds signed it into law in May. It repeals certain restrictions, like the number of hours a minor can work in a week, as well as repeals regulations on the types of jobs minors can have, such as serving alcohol in a restaurant or working in jobs considered hazardous. In a letter from the Department of Labor, regulators say two parts of the law are inconsistent with federal law. It says the law, quote, allows 16 and 17-year-olds to operate dangerous power-driven machines, engage in heavy manufacturing, and work in demolition, all of which are prohibited under federal child labor laws. Regulators also say Iowa's law doesn't require those students working in an apprenticeship program to be registered by the state or Department of Labor, which federal law requires. State Representative Sammy Sheets says the law puts children at risk.
I mean, the reason we have federal child labor laws in place is because of the injuries and deaths that resulted from children working in factories, over 100 years ago. And to take us back to the 1910s and 20s, which is what this bill is taking us in that direction, it's fundamentally wrong.
Sheets says the reason these restrictions were loosened was because there aren't enough people to fill Iowa's open jobs.
The reason they're proposing this, the reason they passed this, is because of a workforce shortage that the Republican Party in the state created. That's the simple fact. And to have a solution that's going to put our children in danger is unacceptable.
In a statement, State Senator Adrian Dickey says the law, quote, clearly states apprenticeships available to Iowa youth must follow federal law. Iowa House Republicans say Democrats are attempting to misrepresent the law. They also say the law allows young people to both learn and earn a paycheck at the same time. In Cedar Rapids, I'm Connor Hendricks reporting.